this thing is crazy. I really can't believe it just literally lifted the whole thing up, no problem. The biggest difference I noticed between the SM100 and the SM120 is that this SM120 is slow. It can't churn for its life. What's up, you guys? Andre here with ZbWKwL Trades. I got a hardcore rental unit. This is the Wacker SM120. Let's see what this thing can really do. I have the Wacker SM100, but it's currently broken at their shop. So I got a rental unit from them because I needed to do a tree job today. So since I still have the machine and still have daytime, I needed to pull some bushes out in my front yard, and now I'm gonna try it out, see what it can do. I know how my 100 can pull them, but I really think this 120 will do much better because it has wide track. This thing is beefy. I mean, sheesh, man, check it out. This thing is an absolute tank. I can't wait till they come out with the 1500. I mean, come on, that is some wide tracks right there. It comes with the weight from factory. The 100s don't, unfortunately, but I did buy them on mine. So this one comes with actually double plates on the back. I only have one on the outer on mine. I could buy the inside ones too, but since I'm not wide track, I don't want to buy them. Plus, they cost quite a bit of money, but they come factory on this one, so it's nice. So if you're in the Winder, Barrow County, Gwinnett area, and you're looking for one of these machines, I mean, you can rent them in Beaufort, Jefferson, Winder. This is their number right here. Ask for Liam if you go in the Winder. That dude will hook you up. I mean, he is awesome, especially if you're looking to buy one of these. He will definitely take care of you. I'm gonna set you guys on a tripod and get started, but if you only need a small project like this, it might not even be worth renting because that machine is $450 a day to rent with the grapple, which is a lot. It adds up quite a bit. Now, if you have work for it for an all-day type of situation, go ahead and rent it. You will save money. But if you have like a small job which you just need to pull out a couple bushes or move a couple logs here and there, it might be cheaper to hire a guy like me or other guys in the area. I know I probably look disgusting right now, which I am. I just got done with a tree job, but I'd like to make this video for you guys since I still have the 120. What on earth? This thing is crazy. I really can't believe it just literally lifted the whole thing up, no problem. Oh yeah, the wide tracks definitely do make a difference. Let me tell you that right now. I don't think the next ones will be as easy, but that was cheap. That was cheap. honestly, I almost gave up just because it was a little bit hard to pull this thing out. And I don't want to break this machine, guys, because when you have rentals, you break them, it's on you. So it pulled it out. I mean, it's a big stump for a bush. Come on, that's like a whole tree stump right here. If the next one comes out hard like this one right here, I'm probably just gonna cut it and grind the stump on my own with my stump grinder. But I mean, to some of you guys, this is probably nothing. You guys are like, man, I work my machine like crazy. But yeah, I don't like beating up these things. They're small machines and they have their limitations. It's not a big old excavator that's just gonna come in here and lift this whole thing up, if you know what I mean. See, it ripped that out and no problem, but I'm gonna have to dig around the stump a little bit before I pull it up. Otherwise, it's just putting too much wear on the machine. These stumps are heavy. The machine honestly barely even fought this one. It came out very easy. This was a smaller stump. Man, this Georgia red clay is so annoying, and it's full of rocks literally everywhere. You will not find any dirt on my property that is not filled with rocks. It sucks. But this is the pile right here. I'll almost tripped. All of these 3 bushes right here. Very simple and easy removal. Equipment makes life easy. honestly quite impressed with the results. This machine is a total beast, and it's extremely easy to use. So if you've never used one of these, do not be afraid. They will show you at the rental place. This thing literally, turn it on. You have to have your foot on the red pedal. Make sure the parking brake is off. Then you go back, forward, left, right, grapple. And then this raises the arm. You rev it up a little bit. And then this tilts it, left and right, tilts it up and down. Extremely easy to use. The biggest difference I noticed between the SM100 and the SM120 is that this SM120 is slow. It can't churn for its life. These tracks grip extremely well compared to the SM100. That thing will run circles around this thing, but this thing will outlift it and outwork it when it comes to lifting capacity. Or pulling or pushing, stuff like that, the SM120 will do better. Now if you want to move stuff left and right, I think the SM100 will run circles around this thing. That's at least what it felt like to me. I don't think anything is wrong with this machine because it only has 60 hours. So it runs like new, and if this is how it is, it feels really slow compared to the 100. Overall, which one would I choose if I was to buy this machine again? I would definitely go with the 120 because most of the time I'm just lifting stuff and loading in the trailer. Yes, they both reach about the same height-wise, but this thing is a lot more stable to the ground. So in my opinion, if you're in the tree business, junk removal business, you want to go with something bigger, wider, and more stable to the ground, especially if you're not on flat ground. Georgia is very hilly, and it's very stable with these wide tracks. Let me tell you, compared to mine, I can definitely tell a big difference. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this content, please don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.